If you love the look of locks, but you're not ready for the long term commitment, this style is about to become your new favorite. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oma. If you're seeing me for the first time, and I create content around natural hair, real hair talks, real life hair experiences, natural hair culture, DIYs that would help you navigate your hair journey and styles to also rock with your natural hair. If that is something you like, please do well to subscribe and join the family so you don't miss out on any of my videos. All right. In today's video, I'm creating temporary locks using my natural hair inspired by a technique popularized by Lilian Okibe. This was popularized about how many years ago, since 2020 or 2021 if I'm not mistaken, by Lilian Okibe. Now this method gives you that soft natural lock look without actually locking your hair permanently. Yeah, so if you want a protective style that looks realistic, lightweight and easy to take down, keep watching. Before starting, I made sure my hair was clean, moisturized, and properly detangled. This is what Lillian would always advise. This step is important because it makes the process easier. It helps your hair stay healthy while in the style, and it also reduces tangling during takedown. You can stretch your hair slightly if you want a smoother finish, but it's not mandatory. The goal is to start with hair that's manageable and hydrated. With the temporary locks, I worked in sections. I started by parting my hair and then taking small to medium sections depending on how full I wanted the locks to look. Now, this is how it is basically done. Get or part a small section of your hair, just like you would make your hair normally, and then at the root of your hair, braid tightly, not very tight anyways, and then begin to make very loose braids down to the end of your hair or down to the length of your hair. I repeat, at the root of your hair, make it a bit tight and then begin to braid loosely. At first it will look like you're making chunky braids or stuff like that, but it is not what it is. This style gets more beautiful as it gets old. Like it's just like fine wine. You get the point, right? Yeah, so just to do that continuously, you can watch what I am doing and just keep trying it. I'm sure you would get it. Braid very tight or not really very tight, then keep braiding very loosely down to the end of your hair, and at the end you will actually get what you're going for. Said initially it might look like it's not giving, but definitely after a week, after 2 weeks, or even after a few days, you would notice that your hair is looking like locks. In fact, people would start asking you, did you lock your hair? Is this dreads, just like they call it? But yeah, that is how the style is supposed to look like, obviously. By all means, avoid pulling too tightly at the roots. Make sure your ends are tucked in properly. You must not necessarily keep your sections neat, to be honest, because mine, just like you are seeing here, is not that neat. But yeah, if you want or you're going for a cleaner finish, then you can do as well to keep your sections neat for a cleaner finish. And if your hair starts to feel dry while styling, you can lightly moisturize as you go.
请将被夜的颜色涂改成长，落笔紧破晓而啼，泪也染湿画上最美的一笔，小被悲伤收集起，虚实里都是你，一辈子的美独自绽放，只为等你张开双臂。 既能感觉到你在我的怀里，想你的思绪被风吹去，延绵着千万里。 细细的雨刺穿衬衫，你绣的心，被碰的起伏，感觉是你出的一气，只能你给美美的滋味，本以为我能独自拥有你。天哭着雨，而我哭了你，深交你是为了谁，而让自己出现在画里，此生你又为了谁，而从画卷里隐去，只为了今生一面，此生还记得吗？花落了一地，而我落了你。请用被夜的颜色涂改成长，落笔紧破晓而啼，泪也染湿画上最美的一笔，小悲悲伤伤戚戚，虚实里都是你，一辈子的美独自绽放，只为等你张开双臂，既能感觉到你在我的怀里，想你的思绪被风吹去，也念着千万里，在爱你里最小了自己，细细的雨刺穿衬衫。
Once I'm done, this is how the style turned out. I went in with a leave-in conditioner to just keep my hair moisturized, and yeah, I really like how natural and full it looks. It gives that lock aesthetic without the commitment, which makes it perfect if you like switching up your styles. It's also a great protective option because your ends are tucked away and your hair isn't being manipulated daily. If you've ever thought about trying locks but weren't sure, this is a great way to experiment without fully committing. Let me know in the comments, would you try these temporary locks? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye.
你绣的心，被碰的起伏，感觉是你出的一气，只能你给美美的滋味，本以为我能独自拥有你。天哭着雨，而我哭了你，深交你是为了谁，而让自己出现在画里，此生你又为了谁，而从画卷里隐去，只为了今生一面，此生还记得